Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, loosen the 6 screws on the base cover. Lift the base cover starting from the bottom edge. Pry the cover off the system to remove it. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the solid-state drive 2230. Remove the screws that secures thermal plate. Remove the thermal plate. Remove the screw that secures the SSD module. Lift the drive out of the system. Flip the drive over and remove the screw. Separate the SSD drive from bracket. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, align the SSD disk with the bracket and tighten the screw to secure it. Flip the drive over, place the SSD into the system. Install the screws. Place the thermal plate and tighten the screw to secure it. Reconnect the battery cable. Place the cover back on the system and tighten the 6 screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.